Ammo? Right by the fireplace.
Yeah, right by the fireplace. Yeah, right there.
Fishing pole.
Yeah, the ugly stick. Yeehaw, let's go fishing.
Where's the closest place to fish from here?
Right at the back door. Zee. Well,
might as well get to rekeying.
Yeah, might as well. Let's go. Come on! Let's bust it out of here.
Yeah, nice chair. The only thing good here, I think.
It's like somebody's really into something here. God, I don't know, boy. You never know.
No. Get a shot of the lock here. No one did the dishes, no.
Leave somebody. Ready?
And this is how you put the knob back on.
Yes. Putting the knob back on.
After it's been rekeyed to the code.
101. Where is it? Right about. Oh boy, we're gonna have fun today. Yes, folks, we're gonna have fun today.
Yeah, it is about 30 degrees here.
Yep. Yeah, it's about. That was
done.
quick.
Yeah.
All done.
Well, now we have the deadbolt.
So we got it upside down. I don't know if that's gonna matter.
No, it doesn't.
Doesn't matter. Matter that we can pull
But if the key doesn't come out, I think you're going to have to pull it back off. And then put it right side up.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to take the brain to do this.
Well, that's good just to show people how to do this anyway.
Yeah.
That's the reason we're doing it. We're just not a mistake or anything.
Yeah. No mistakes. Alright. I said no mistakes. Okay. There we go. Okay.
Hopefully it's right side up now.
And we got it.
Okay.
Right. Okay, now